Show me what you got. Let me see your apron. What's up, dude? You playing? What you building? What are you building, buddy?
Building the tires.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. This one doesn't fit. I have to get it. I'm building.
What do you got down here? You want to build something?
I'm trying to build. So, Daddy, can we build a truck?
Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead.
No, you must take this out.
We need more wheels.
I just saw one. 2 wheels.
Here's another one. Right here.
Give me that. Get in 2 wheels.
Okay, 4 wheels. That's what we need. Okay, and then find me another piece like this. Find me a piece like that.
I got him.
Oh, here you go, right here.
That one?
Yep.
Hey, which key?
We need this one. Right here.
That one?
Okay, you had it.
Hey, it has it. That's what we need.
I think this piece for the bottom. I'm not sure. Right here. See it on the the top? I mean.
Yeah. And we'll see.
Oh, we need another piece like that.
That one?
Yeah. So.
I think I saw it.
Right here.
That one?
There we go.
Now we have. That is.
Yeah. Now we need another half moon piece, and I think we're ready to go. Let's see.
This is not a half piece.
That's all we got. All right, put it all together.
But I don't have. Can you help me build these?
You need a hammer
Sure.
and a couple screws.
I need a couple screws. I got a couple screws.
All right, go ahead, build it.
Then you build on the tires. I'm making 15 tires on the truck.
Wow, 15?
Yeah. But this one doesn't have no spot.
All right, get your drill.
No, do my hammer.
The hammer? Oh,
I'm gonna use 2 hammers. They did check on the time. I'm gonna spend you 8. I'm building this truck.
here's what we got. Hey, what do you tell everyone?
Thanks for watching.
Yep. See you later.
See you later.